Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get the Minecraft BedWars server IPs. If you want to play BedWars in Minecraft, you need to find servers that host the game mode. Firstly, open your browser and go to a reliable Minecraft server list website like minecraftmp.com. Use the search bar and type BedWars. Browse through the list of available servers and look for the ones that are active, were rated, and match your Minecraft version. Copy the server ID address shown in the next to the BedWars server name. Open Minecraft, click multiplayer and add server, then you can join the server and play BedWars. Some of the popular BedWars server list websites are minecraftmp.com, as I mentioned earlier, minecraftservers.org, topminecraftservers.org, and minecraftlist.org. Always check the player count and server version before joining to ensure compatibility and active gameplay. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hello everyone.